She's going to burp the alphabet. Oh dear. What about when you get to like T? Will you be out of wind or will you be alright? We'll have a go. Go on then.
That burp, Lou. Come on, Will. Do the V.
I don't believe it, England. Just grab the alphabet. Give it a big clap, come on.